Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I will show you easily how to upload and analyze PDFs with Claude AI. So guys, if you want to use this service, I highly recommend you download the application for your desktop browser. I highly recommend you download the application for your Windows so that you have full functionality and so that it's as snappy and as fast and performs as well as possible. And in here, guys, as you can see, this is just a usual AI engine, right, where they have this window with the AI prompt field where you can just explain what you want. It can be anything. You can code, you can research, you can do maybe some imagination stuff. You can, create some texts or whatever you wish to do. So in our case, we need to analyze the PDF. So how do we do this, guys? So firstly, choose the model that will be the best at doing this. So as you can see, if you want to use Opus 4.7, you'll need to upgrade. But as you can see, we have Sonnet 4.6 that is most efficient for everyday tasks, as you can see. And also we have Haiku for the fastest. I recommend going for Sonnet. It's going to be the best of both worlds. Also, as you can see, if you wish, you can also enable adaptive thinking. It's going to think a little harder and give you more precise information. So now, guys, just go ahead and download your PDF. If you already have it on your system, just go ahead and choose it here. Just upload through this icon here. So add files or photos, choose this. Okay, guys, and now just upload your PDF. And what I will do is I'm just going to ask it to summarize this PDF for May. Give me a breakdown of this protein powder. Okay, so this is indeed a protein powder. It's just a lab test. And now, guys, let's just send and see what happens. So now it will think and will give you, of course, your results. As you can see, it's a vanilla ice cream, 1 kilogram. And now, as you can see, it gives us the results. We have the tables. Okay, so I would say that this isn't really a most thorough response. But this is actually not that bad if you want to have a quick summary. So as you can see, this is my PDF and this is the full summary. So this is how you work with PDFs, guys. Just upload your PDF, give it a prompt, what you want to do with it, and you're good to go. Enjoy the guide, guys, as always. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.